Welcome. If you're looking for a way to enjoy some peace and quiet, today I'll show you how to mute message notifications for a specific chat in Messenger for exactly 24 hours. Whether you're focusing on work, studying, or just need a break from the constant pings, this quick guide will help you silence those notifications without missing out on messages completely. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Just tap to launch it. Next, scroll through your conversations and select the chat you want to mute. This can be a one-on-one chat or a group conversation. Tap to open that chat window. Once you're inside the chat, look at the very top of your screen. You'll see the name of the person or group. Tap on it. This will open the chat's settings menu, where you can control notifications and other options. Now, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. Here, you'll see a switch labeled Messages. Simply toggle this switch off to silence message notifications for this chat. A menu will pop up, asking you how long you'd like to mute notifications. You'll see several options like 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, and 24 hours. Choose for 24 hours to mute notifications for a full day. Confirm your selection, and you're all set. From now on, you won't receive message notifications from this chat for the next 24 hours. You can still open Messenger and read any new messages in the conversation whenever you want. They just won't interrupt you with alerts. If you ever want to turn notifications back on before the 24 hours are up, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back on. And that's it. You've successfully muted message notifications for a chat in Messenger for 24 hours. Enjoy your quiet time and check back when you're ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out more tips for managing your Messenger experience.